Deep nose blackheads treatment. Pore shrink transformation. It's not just the blackheads, it's what they do to the pores over time. As congestion builds deeper inside the skin, the pores slowly stretch, becoming larger and more visible every day. Today's treatment focuses on deep nose blackheads treatment, with a complete pore shrink transformation, a process designed to clear the buildup and restore smoother looking skin. Why pores start looking larger? Healthy pores naturally release oil, but when buildup blocks the opening, pressure forms inside the pore. Over time, this pressure stretches the skin around it, creating enlarged pores, uneven texture, visible congestion. Why deep cleaning matters? Surface washing can remove oil temporarily, but deeper congestion remains trapped underneath. That hidden buildup keeps the pores looking larger and darker. Step 1. Cleansing skin prep. The treatment begins with a deep cleanse, to remove surface oil and prepare the pores. Step 2. Steam pore softening. Warm steam softens compact buildup inside the enlarged pores. This helps prepare the skin for smoother extraction. Step 3. Deep blackhead extraction. Extraction begins carefully. As pressure is applied, deep blackheads begin releasing from inside the pores. Step 4. Full pore cleaning transformation. As more congestion is removed, the nose texture begins changing dramatically. The pores start looking cleaner, tighter, less visible. Step 5. Visible pore shrink results. Once the buildup is removed, the pores appear visibly refined. The overall skin surface looks smoother and more balanced. Step 6. Cooling recovery treatment. A soothing treatment is applied to calm the skin and reduce redness after extraction. Final results. Before, deep congestion and enlarged visible pores. After, cleaner pores and smoother looking skin, a complete pore shrink transformation. Final message: when deep congestion is removed, the pores finally get a chance to relax, and that's where real skin transformation begins. If you enjoyed this deep nose blackheads treatment and pore shrink transformation, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more satisfying skincare videos.